Hi, welcome back, friends. It's time for another episode of Questions with Quigley. And I'm your host, Quigley. Today, we are digging into some of the biggest and baddest questions we can ask. And speaking of the biggest and baddest, today's guest is someone you might know as the Big Bad Wolf. But he says his real name is actually A. Wolf. That's right, A. Wolf. A. Wolf, why don't you come on out for some questions?
Oh, hello. Hello there, everyone. Achoo! Ah! Oh, Gesundheit.
Whoa, I wasn't quite ready for that windstorm. Thank you, A. Wolf, for joining us. People know you as the Big Bad Wolf, but are you really big and bad?
Oh, no, not at all. I'm just, a little bit big and a little bit, sneezy. Achoo!
Oh, that explains the hurricane-force breeze. But tell us a little bit about those three little pigs.
Oh, it's all a big misunderstanding, Quigley. It's just like I wrote in my book, The True Story of the Three Little Pigs. I wasn't trying to blow down their houses. I was just trying to borrow a cup of sugar for my dear old granny's cake. But, you see, I have this cold, and when I sneezed, poof, down went the straw house. Oh, achoo! Ah!
Yeah, I guess that would do it. And the stick house, too?
Yep, same thing. Another sneeze. Achoo! Ah!
Oh, remind me to start wearing a helmet for this show. Friends, what do you think? Do you think A. Wolf here is really that big and bad? Or is he just big and sneezy?
See? I'm just misunderstood. And, achoo! Ah! And I really need a tissue.
Oh, well, A. Wolf, thanks for coming on the show today. Today we learned that sometimes stories don't tell the whole truth, and sometimes a big sneeze can make big trouble.
Exactly. Achoo! Ah!
Friends, that's all for today on today's episode of Questions with Quigley. Remember, don't judge a wolf by his sneeze.
Achoo!